If you can say one sentence in Spanish, you already know enough to say three. The reason most adults stop after one sentence is simple. They don't know how to stack sentence frameworks. Let's get into it. In the last video, we talked about sentence frameworks. And if you're joining me for the first time, soy Profe Don Omar, and I've been teaching Spanish for over 25 years. And now I work with busy adults just like you who are committed to going from hola to full conversations in Espanol. But if you missed the first video of this series, click the link in the description below if you want to check it out before you watch this. Sentence frameworks are reusable sentences that fluent speakers rely on. And today we're doing the next step. We're connecting them. And I promise you, once you see this, conversations will not feel scary anymore. So what does stacking really mean? Well, first off, stacking doesn't mean longer sentences. I want to make that super clear. And it most definitely doesn't mean having to learn advanced grammar. Stacking just means saying simple sentences back to back. Basically, that's how real people talk. Let me show you with some simple examples. Check this out. Aquí está el primer paso. Here's the first step. We're going to start with the one sentence framework. Quiero una margarita. I want a margarita. Boom. First step accomplished, and most learners stop right there. Pero mira, now watch what happens when we add just one more sentence. Hey, real quick, if you're gaining value from today's video, be sure to like it, hype it, and share it with someone you know working hard to become a better and more confident Spanish speaker. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Bueno, tenemos paso número 2. Presta atención. Quiero una margarita. Me gustan las margaritas. I want a margarita. I like margaritas. Nothing fancy happened. I didn't change the sentence. I simply added another framework. Quick teaching moment. Whenever you're referring to two or more items you like, always use me gustan. Siempre usa me gustan. If you're referring to just one specific item, use me gusta. If you want more on using me gusta and me gustan, I'll link it up in the video description below. Now, let's take it one step further. En paso número 3, vamos a repetir. In step number 3, we're going to repeat. Mira, tenemos quiero café, me gusta el café. Voy a tomar café. I want coffee. I like coffee. I'm going to drink coffee. No grammar charts, no sentence building. Let's do one more with a different idea. I want to make sure you have the hang of this. Necesito ayuda. Quiero ayuda, por favor. Voy a pedir ayuda. I need help. I want help, please. I'm going to ask for help. Notice what's happening. Each sentence is simple, but together they tell a clear story. Just stacking simple ideas. Now, what we want to do is move into what we would call a real-life mini conversation. Mira, quiero pizza. Me gusta la pizza. Voy a comer pizza. I want pizza. I like pizza. I'm going to eat pizza. That's not beginner Spanish. I call that usable Spanish. Here's another real-life example. Tengo hambre. Me gusta la comida aquí. Voy a comer ahora. Necesito un menú. I'm hungry. I like the food here. I'm going to eat now. I need a menu. Now, I added in an extra sentence for you to see how you can keep going. That's not one perfect sentence. That's a conversation. Fluent speakers don't wait for the perfect sentence. They keep the conversation moving. Now that you understand the concept of stacking, let's break down why stacking works so well for adults. Most adults freeze because they think they need to say the perfect sentence every single time they open their mouth. And quite honestly, I believe it has a lot to do with comparing your knowledge of your first language to Spanish. But check this out. Fluent speakers don't do that. We just keep talking. And stacking keeps you talking. And this is precisely where your confidence starts to grow. Hey, future Spanish speaker, quick question for you. Based on you watching this video right now, there's a strong chance you've tried to learn Spanish before. Maybe you studied Spanish, maybe you use apps, maybe you even took classes, but you're still not speaking Spanish with confidence. If your goal this year is to finally stop studying Spanish and start actually using it, I want to personally invite you to the Spanish Made Simple Challenge. This is a live 5-day experience with me hosted on my platform where I show you exactly how adults should be learning Spanish without memorizing endless rules or freezing up when it's time to speak. You also get access to a private community of motivated learners just like you. And I'll walk you step by step through a system that helps you think less, speak more, and build real confidence fast. By the end of the challenge, you'll have clear structure, repeatable phrases, and a real plan to keep progressing. Whether your goal is travel, family, work, or daily conversations. If that sounds like something you've been missing, go ahead and click the link below or scan the QR code on the screen to save your spot. And quick pro tip, once you're inside, make sure you upgrade to VIP because you'll get daily bonus Q&A time with me where I answer your personal questions and help you break through what's been holding you back. I'd love to work with you inside the challenge. Alright, let's get back to the rest of the video. So let's jump into a quick recap. Stacking means short sentences said back to back using frameworks you already know. Recuerda esto. Remember this. You don't need longer sentences, you just need to get that momentum going. And just a little FYI for clarification, stacking does not mean speaking fast. It means not stopping. Pauses are perfectly okay, and of course thinking is okay, but silence is what kills your confidence. So I always like to leave you with a Profe Power Tip, and today's Profe Power Tip is this. Fluency grows when sentences connect, not when they're perfect. Siempre recuerda, always remember, one sentence leads to the next. It's like walking, left foot, right foot. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn these same frameworks into questions. That's when conversations really start. And if today's lesson helped you, then hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss the final video in this series. But until then, check out this video YouTube selected specifically for you, and I'll see you over there. Soy Profe Don Omar, your guide on how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.